You're watching WTAJ News, your news leader.
Imagine going to your doctor's office for a little liposuction, having your procedure, and then hopping off the treatment table and driving home.
Today in HealthCast, Charlotte Ames tells us about one doctor who's made liposuction a lunchtime procedure.
Shopping for clothes has never been easier for these sisters. They're celebrating new waistlines.
You wake up every day and you just can't wait to go look in the mirror to see how much more it went down.
Jill's talking about her tummy, which was recently sculpted by Dr. Roger Basson. He's the first surgeon in the country using a combination technique he calls aqua lipo.
First process is melting the fat down. So that's where the laser system comes into play, the Smart Lipo laser. So we'll use the laser to liquefy all the fat, and also the laser will produce a tremendous amount of energy, which is going to get into the skin and give a very profound skin tightening. Then the body jet, which is the high-powered, what I call power washer, where we can flush the fat out, that is to remove the fat. So it was really a common logical next step to combine the two.
Patients are wide awake and alert during the office procedure.
So how you feeling?
I'm feeling good. There was no recovery. I mean, I had normal street clothes on, going there, coming home. The next day, it was perfect.
And that's what this has become a new, almost a complete revolution in the field of liposuction. There's really, in my mind, for anybody to do the traditional liposuction at this point is just not, it's just an antiquated procedure.
A procedure that made plastic surgery a sure thing for these sisters. With HealthCast, I'm Charlotte Ames.
And we're told Dr. Basson charges about $3,500 for the first area he treats and gives discounts for the second. You can find more information about it on our website, wearecentralpa.com, under News and HealthCast.